We about to unbox something special, yeah. Do not mind my little ass box cutter. But let's crack it open. Let's see what we got in here. KM Tactical. Yeah, KM Tactical, upper, all white. Or should I say, Stormtrooper white. Let's get it out this plastic though. Don't mind my hands, they ashy. I'm fresh off of work. So this is everything I got. 7.5 inch. All right. This is what it looks like. It's out the plastic. All white. ABC lower. AR-15. 5.56. ABC lower. 15. AR-15. No spec handle. Pistol grip. No spec. Safety. Trigger. You know. Everything looks legit. It's okay. 7.5 inch upper, all white AR pistol, lower. Yeah, this is it.